Okay, 315/7017 Wrangler MTRs. This is the brand new one. You can see that. That was my spare. But even when you look at the other three that I have, I mean, the wear bar here is all of a half an inch under the lug. So these MTRs are a very hard tire. They got about 16 to 18,000 miles on them. So there's still a lot of tread here. Okay, this is the passenger side right here. And up towards the top of the screen right there, on the inboard one against the piston, you can see the squealer right there. Right there it is. So we just want to make sure that that's set up the same way. All right, I would say this shock has had the radish. Sadly, these things are 300 a piece. That really sucks. Just took my pads out. Get about 6 months out of pads for these 37s now, especially in the rear. Got to get some new pads. The e-brakes. Gonna have to get a new e-brake kit. You can see that the ABS sensor is cut in half. The springs are all bent. The shoes are bent. Look at that. Here's the good side. And then here's the bad side. So hopefully I tried to bang those, see those punch circles? That's where the pins go through. Hopefully there's enough metal there for them to grab. If not, I'll have to buy this shield. You can see some damaged metal in that area that I just took a hammer and a screwdriver and tried to bend it back into position. Got the speed sensor out. You can see the plug right there. So it's a good start for today.